Hi, Dylan from Biokinetics here. As an athletic trainer, it is my job to improve performance and decrease injuries. Biokinetics, over the last 2 decades, has helped improve performance and decrease soreness among hundreds of thousands of individuals. In our exercise programs, we use a tool called the WOW to help improve muscular performance and decrease soreness. The WOW is a handheld body preparation tool developed and assembled by veterans. It is used from professional athletes to industrial athletes to help improve sport-specific training, preparation, and recovery. The WOW uses a unique combination of rhythmic and inertial resistance. It results in a high amount of concentric and eccentric contractions in a specific range of motion. This high rate of contraction results in taking the body from a state of rest to readiness in a matter of minutes. There's a vast difference between the active muscular contractions of a WOW compared to passive stretching. Passive stretching is actually going to place strain on the muscle as we use an external force to push it through its range of motion. It's not a very practical movement as we rarely do that throughout the day. Instead, while we're competing, we want to actively contract our muscles, which is one of the main principles of the WOW. Active muscle contraction, those small, rapid, concentric, eccentric movements, are going to simulate how we perform on a sports field. The WOW elicits 3 main physiological benefits. First, being an increase of blood flow, which helps bring oxygen and nutrients to the muscles we're using. Second is an increase in tissue temperature, the warm of a warm-up, resulting in increased pliability. And the third is synovial fluid production, which acts as joint grease and makes it easier for us to move our joints. Being as warm and prepared as possible is going to allow for elite levels of performance. The WOW is simple to get started. All you need to do is put your hands straight out, have your fingers a couple inches apart from each other, wind in either direction until the plastic ring starts to turn sideways, pull your hands out, bring them together, and keep the smooth, rhythmic motion going. For additional strength conditioning benefits, you can add the WOW ring to the WOW. All you do is take the blue plastic ring, slide it through the handle to the white center disc, snap it on, and then follow those same 3 steps. Arms out in front, hands a couple inches apart, wind, and WOW. The WOW ring adds weight to the disc and creates a more forceful muscular contraction. The WOW is not only easy to use, but it's easy to carry and put away. So to go from wowing to store it, collapse the WOW, put it in a WOW bag, and you're ready to play. The next product in the WOW line is the 60-inch WOW. It is easily accessible whether it's a chain link fence, a hook, and it can be placed at various heights. The 60-inch WOW is similar to the WOW in the fact that it is an inertial rhythmic resistance device. Once it's hooked up, all you need to do is wind it up, start the smooth rhythmic motion, and it is ready to use. The 60-inch WOW allows one-handed movement and a greater range of motion. This allows us to further isolate sport-specific movements, whether we are rotating, throwing, or swinging. The 60-inch WOW can help train not only the muscles that we're using, but our trunk and stabilizing muscles as well. For an added strength and conditioning component, you can add the WOW ring to the 60-inch WOW, similarly to the traditional WOW. All you do is snap it on, ready to go with added resistance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos regarding sport-specific use of the WOW.